Hi there. This is about making a wood-fired oven or pizza oven out of bricks you fire yourself. So to start this project, we started with a cable wheel and took the end off of that. You can get this from a scrapyard. And we also need a wheel bearing. Also, you can get that from a scrapyard, a fairly heavy-duty one. And you have to bolt that to the end of the cable wheel and onto a wooden pallet to make a turntable. Cover it with plywood, and then to start we need to get some sand and make it into a nice smooth dome using a former. When it's nice and smooth, we cover it with newspaper, wet newspaper, to stop the clay from sticking. So you need about a third of a ton of clay. Comes in 25-kilo bags, and it's easily cut up with a wire. Each bag can be cut up into four long bricks, as you can see. This makes it about the right thickness for the walls of the oven. And you take each of these segments and bend it into shape and place it on the outside of the sand dome on the turntable. And starting at the bottom, you work up to create a nice smooth clay dome on top of the sand. When you've got it nice and smooth, like in the picture, you cut out the door, or cut out a hole where the door is going to be, and remove the sand from the inside to leave us with a hollow clay dome. Then we make the arch, which you could by putting clay into the right shape former, and then cutting that up again with wire into bricks that are going to make the arch of the front of the oven. And this is the important bit. The main dome we can cut up by a wire which is connected to the center of the wheel, and then by holding the wire tight and turning the wheel around, we can cut the clay into probably about 50 or 60 bricks, which are going to be exactly the right shape when put back together again to make a nice clay dome. So we end up with a large number of bricks. They all have to be carefully numbered so we know how they go back together again. Then we made a base. You can make a base out of wood or bricks or breeze blocks. This one was made out of wood. The large tray at the top into which we put sand, then vermiculite, then a ceramic fibre blanket, and then put standard terracotta bricks on top of that, which we bought from a building store. Make it nice and smooth, ready to put the bricks on top. The mortar we used was a simple lime mortar made out of 1 part of lime soaked overnight for 24 hours and 2 parts of sand. These are the fired bricks coming out the kiln. So now we can start putting it all back together again. And to help us to do that, it's useful to have a support here which is made out of cardboard, so that it stays up while you're building it. Then it's just a question of putting the bricks back in numbered order with a bit of lime mortar in between, and build it up until we've got our clay oven built. You can remove the excess clay on the outside using vinegar, and it's really then ready to go. Because the bricks are fired, they'll be able to withstand the heat straight away. You may want to put mortar in the joints on the inside. So the great thing about this method is you don't need any particular brick making skills. Once you've got all the bricks the right shape, they all fit together. You do need a kiln to fire the bricks. But once you've made the bricks, then it's pretty quick to put together, and you can use it straight away. Thanks for watching, and good luck.